We're headed into the unknown with this Epcot attraction. Join us as we travel through Arendelle in Walt Disney World's Frozen Ever After. The story follows the anniversary of the day Elsa saved her sister Anna, and to celebrate, Elsa establishes an official summer snow day upon Arendelle, and you really feel like a guest in this special town. It's a very clever way to bring you from the southern heat into an icy world. However, the attraction feels a little scattered, and as a result, the unique storyline is lost during the ride. Frozen Ever After is a reversing chute dark ride. It opened in summer of 2016 and replaced the Epcot fan favorite, Maelstrom.
We really like the way the Imagineers built Olaf. His little snowman body glides across the ride stage and immerses you into the frozen world. He is probably our favorite part of this ride. While we liked the concept of animating the characters' faces through screens, they didn't quite feel right. It's a sweet ride and the queue is very pretty, but it's lacking in overall entertainment. If your little ones love Frozen or you're looking for a quaint indoor ride to get out of the Florida heat, this is definitely a great attraction to visit. Overall, we give this ride 6 out of 10 Mickey ears.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.